All right, ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to help you put together the three rules that we have learned up through February 19th. The powers to power rule, the product of power rule, and the quotient of power rules. So we'll work through these two together. This first one, we have to take the power of 2 to everything inside here. So we have 5 to the 1 times 2 and x to the 1 times 2 and multiply that by 2 to the 1 times 2 power and x to the 4 times 2 power. And on the bottom we'll have y to the 3 times 2 power. So now we're going to simplify all that stuff. So we would have 5 squared over x squared times 2 squared x to the 8th over y to the 6th. So now we're going to do some simplifying with these values. So we would have 25 over x squared times 4 x to the 8th y to the 6th. So from there, 25 times 5 is 100. So we have 100 x to the 8th power over x squared y to the 6th. And so now once we have that all done, we have to look vertically and see if we can simplify that way. And I can. I've got an x to the 8th and an x squared. So I will subtract those exponents to get 100 x to the 6th. And I still have y to the 6th on the bottom. So that would be my solution. Here's one more example. This one doesn't have the quotient of powers in it, but it has the other two. So you would take the power of 3 and put it in this parenthesis, and the power of 2 and take it in there. So you would have 2 to the 1 times 3, x to the 5 times 3, times that by 7 to the 2 times 1, and x to the 7 times 2. So that's 2 cubed times x to the 15th times 7 squared times x to the 14th. So I'm going to change these to their actual standard form now. So 2 cubed is 8. So I have 8x to the 15th times 49 x to the 14th. And then you would need to do 8 times 49, which is 392. And then here you have two of the same bases, so you have to add those exponents. So your answer is 392x to the 29th. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Pike.